Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your labor law insights with SHRM step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official SHRM website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log in to your SHRM account. Navigate to the resources section on the home page. Select the labor laws category from the available options. Explore the wide range of articles, toolkits, and webinars offered. Identify specific labor law topics relevant to your interests or needs. Take note of any upcoming webinars related to these topics. Register for the webinars by following the prompts provided. Download any related resources or toolkits that catch your attention. Consider joining SHRM's online communities for discussions and insights. Participate actively in forums to ask questions and share knowledge. Utilize the SHRM app for on-the-go access to labor law updates. Set up alerts for important changes in labor law directly from the website. Regularly check the blog for the latest updates from SHRM experts. Reflect on the insights gained and how they can apply to your organization. Implement the strategies and knowledge acquired in your workplace. Continue to seek additional resources and build your network through SHRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.